So today is not really your average day. لأنه we are going to a place that's not your average place. It is the deepest pool in the world.
Facing the reception where you can have idea of what's hiding.
How deep is it?
Down there you can't really see is 60 meters and something.
Oh my God. I don't know if you guys have seen 2001: A Space Odyssey.
Dave, do you mind if I ask you a personal question?
This is exactly what it feels like. And this is just the changing room. Is this part of the training for the diving? We have to be sexy?
Yes.
All right. Hello?
Hello, sir. We're gonna have to ask you to leave the pool.
What do you mean you want me to leave the pool? This is my home now. No!